Hello friends, welcome back to another CapCut video editing tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a trending split screen effect in CapCut. I will also show you how to add animations to your split screen for a more dynamic look. Whether you are creating content for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok or any other platform, this technique will take your edits to the next level. So let's get started and walk through the process step by step. I have already imported a few video clips and a black screen. Instead of a black screen, you can also use any solid color image. Now add the black screen to the main video track. Adjust its duration based on how long you want your split screen to be. Next, import your first video clip and place it above the black screen. Make sure to match its duration with the black background. I want to place the video in the center of the screen. To do that, go to the mask section and choose the rectangle mask. Adjust the size and position of the mask to keep the video perfectly centered. Now set the round converts value to 10 for a smoother look. Next I will add two more videos, one for the left side and one for the right side. To keep this tutorial short, I won't go into full details, but I'm sure you can follow along. Just follow the same steps. Add the video clips, set their positions left and right, apply the rectangle mask, adjust the mask size and position, and set the round corners value to 10 for each clip. Once you are done, your screen should look something like this. A clean split screen with all three videos in place. Now let's add entrance animation to make the split screen look more dynamic. Go to the animation in section. Select the video placed on the left and apply the click open animation. Set the animation duration to 1 second. Next, select the middle video and apply the same animation. Set its duration to 1 second as well. Now, shift the starting point of the middle video to the 1 second mark, so it starts right after the first video's animation ends. Finally, do the same for the video placed on the right side. Apply the click open animation. Set the duration to 1 second and move the starting point to the 2 second mark, right after the middle video animation ends. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.